Please, madam.
She must be sleeping by now.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I wouldn't be a happy man if you're not in my life.
Me too.
So, would it be a bad thing if I ask for a kiss?
No. The other time you asked for a hug, I gave it to you. This time, no.
Please. Come here. Okay? I missed you too.
How did it go?
Where's our balance?
I sent you on an errand, and you've not given me any answer. A concrete reply. Now I ask you, did you kill him?
No. Which kind jam question be this one? I beg, because I have money.
Now, like when you find you, bros, what in the sock now? All we need here now is our balance for the job. You don't get time for here now. We don't understand. Our body they hot.
Your balance is here.
Baba, make her confirm the balance now.
Now answer my question. Did you kill him?
Boss, the money go well. Boss, I don't feel like for you. That man is a very dangerous man. Bullet couldn't penetrate his body at all. Okay, so the too bad, man. On the naughty.
What? Badu.
Guys, let's go.
For how long has this been going on in this house?
Oh, madam, this is the first time it has not been long, I swear.
It's not been long. That means you have been going against the rules of my husband in this house. Well, you leave me with no option than to tell my husband what you and Dikeh have been doing.
Please, this is the first time we've not done it again.
Will you keep quiet? Well, if you do not want me to tell my husband what you and Dikeh has been doing in this house, then you two will have to get into an agreement with me.
Whatever it is, I'll do. I'm ready.
Go fetch him.
Anayo, I told you I never believed in this guy. Now you've seen it. You've seen how they've disappointed us.
This. I don't even know what to say. I know Bado and his gang members, they are professional hitmen. They have never failed in assignments like this.
Well, they failed in this one. They've disappointed us. Do you know how I struggled to get that money? 500,000 naira. We are talking about 500,000 naira. Gone like that.
Oh, Ekene, I think there is an atom of truth in what Badu said. That's your uncle, Chief Onyeka. I think he's a strong man from what he said. Maybe we underestimated him.
And he will never intimidate me. He will never intimidate me. I must bring him down. I must bring him down.
Can I think this is the time we see ILC? He needs to fortify us before we embark on this challenge.
I think you're right. We will go and see him tomorrow.
I hope you understand the conditions of our agreement.
Yes, madam. I've accepted your terms and conditions.
I'm in. Beautiful. You have to keep your own part of the bargain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can return to your duty posts.
He's a wicked man.
What happened to him? I don't know.
I think he was killed by unknown gunmen.
Gunmen?
Jesus Christ. People are wicked. Hey.
Shay. What happened? Anayo! What happened to him? Anayo! Please help me. Anayo, please don't do this. Anayo, please. Anayo, please. Anayo!
Why have you decided to wipe off my entire family? Why?
Who told you that?
I know you're the one who inflicted my father and my mother with kidney disease. As if that wasn't enough for you. You defiled Ogechi and used her for money rituals.
I can see that you know too much. I also can understand why you sent your street urchins to attack me. Me, Chief Onyeka. You will die in the same manner your friend and I died.
So you're the one who killed him. Oh, Gambo. Now I know that you're heartless and very wicked. Hey, I thought I Yes. Hey.
Yes. Those will be the very last words you will ever say alive. Rest in peace.
No. Chief, no, Chief. Chief, don't do it.
You are doing this, nobody is watching. Remember there is somebody in heaven that's watching. That thing you are doing this, nobody is watching. Remember there is somebody in heaven that's watching. Ashina wayansi, abana baka chinchin. Atakata bua wakansi na manuwa. Ashina wayansi, abana baka chinchin. Atakata bua wakansi na manuwa.
Ekene? What Ekene? Where is Ekene? Ekene? Ekene?
Ekene?
The door is locked.
Ekene? Ekene? Where is Ekene? Am I not talking to you? Where is Ekene?
If you dare come close to me, I will tear you to pieces. Don't give vam.
You will tear me to pieces.
You know me, oh.
You will tear me to pieces.
Don't just come
Try
close.
it, let me see.
Don't come close.
You will tear me to pieces. Go and ask.
Don't make noise.
Go and ask.
You know.
Go and
I don't
ask.
make noise.
Go and ask.
Give me
Go
a
and
hand.
ask.
Put it
Try
again,
it
look
now.
at.
Get it down.
Put it again.
Where's Ekene?
Hey, I didn't see.
What is going on? Where is Ekene?
Ekene? I didn't see him when I came in. Onyala na Bokankita here.
Where would he have been?
Ekene, where are you?
Come. Anayo that was last seen with Ekene yesterday was found dead this morning.
What are you? God! I don't want anything to happen to Ekene. Ekene!
Engineer, I'm not impressed at all. Izu recommended you for me. I called you because Izu recommended you for me. I don't like your work. This is not what I told you. Just look. So rough.
No, don't worry. If it is this one, we will touch it. We will make sure that it's very good. We'll touch it.
Excuse me. Good day, Chief. Yes, Chief. We kept his body in a deep forest now. All right, Chief. I can, if anyone will see your body, you would have decayed and rotted in the forest. Let me hurry and see, Chief. Engineer. Okay. I'll be going.
Okay,
yeah?
sir. Okay,
I'll
sir.
be going. Please.
Okay, sir.
Who did this to him?
Take him up. Take him up.
Elders, a lot has happened in this village recently.
Are we going to fold our hands and be watching as if nothing happened?
What baffles me is the mother of a young man, Anayo, in his prime. You are talking of Anayo. What of Ekene? The dead body of his mother, Adaku, is still lying in the mortuary, and that of his younger sister, Gechi. And he has been missing for some time now.
My elders, what do?
We need solution to all these problems. Yes. And if I may suggest, we need to go to the police and intimate them of the high level of insecurity in this community. After that, we organize ourselves and bury the dead. That's how it's supposed to be. So I don't know. Let me go easy.
How is he faring?
He is not doing well presently, but I know he will soon improve.
He's badly hurt.
Ify, I pray he will make it.
He's in the bus.
It's not good.
I've been calling you from inside. Why are you crying?
I'm here. What else should I do? When life has decided to be so cruel on me. Uloma, can't you see that I can't be truly happy in this life? Enough,
Don't talk like that, sister.
Why is it that evil or something strange happens to any man that I truly love? Why? Is this my face?
I have told you that Ekene is alive. Something strong in me tells me that he's still alive.
Ekene has been missing for some time now. And I have this strong feeling that he is dead. Oh, in great danger. Ekene, where are you?
Please don't talk like that, Biko. Stop crying. Stop. Don't cry again. You want to kill yourself, please. Ekene is alive.
Elders, you have all spoken very well. I want to abide by the decision you people have taken. Particularly now that we know that we are yet to have an Igwe. We need to bury our dead. Unfortunately, what do we know it? We are talking about the dead, so may their souls rest in perfect peace.
Amen. Chief, don't you think this burial will be too expensive?
Yes, especially with the pandemic ravaging the world. Chief, you know it affects our economy.
Yes, Chief. That is our humble opinion. But all the same, you have the last say. Whatever you say, we will abide by it. Yes.
I'm happy you said that. Pandemic. And the meltdown. Well, I've heard you people. Everybody is afraid of the pandemic. Everybody is afraid of the meltdown. Ibane. Some people are melting down, but I tell you there are people that are melting up. Is it not what the stomach said?
Yes.
No jada to it. We're making it. When a man is moving, his stomach moves first. The rest will follow. My people, we are going to give our dead a befitting burial. A befitting burial.
Holy Millie.
We shall drink. We shall eat. In addition to that, I am going to give 1 million naira to the respective family. To cap this whole thing, I will give 1 million naira to each of you.
Mercy, my daughter. Why are you crying? I've noticed you have not been happy recently. You even abandon your food most time with flimsy excuses of not having appetite. My love, what is going on?
Mama, my heart is broken. I have lost the one person that makes me happy, Mama. The one person that makes me happy in this village.
Onye? Who is that person?
It's Ekene, Mama.
Ekene?
I have not been able to get him off my mind since he has been missing. Mama, I am scared. What if Ekene is dead? Hey! So I will not set my eyes on him again.
Ekene? Onny, you told me you are caring for him because of your relationship with Ogechi. Again, is that? I'm surprised.
Mama, I was. But I later developed a strong feelings for him. Mama, honestly, I love him. I love Ekene so much. And I don't know what to do now that he's missing.
Sorry, Mama. Ebene, oh? Don't worry, he will come back. Nothing will happen to Ekene, oh?
Mama, what if he's dead?
He's not dead, he's not dead. He will come back.
Mama, you sure?
He will be back, don't worry. I can assure you of that, oh? Don't cry. Don't cry, my daughter, oh? Adanye, ebezine, oh?
I think you have to move on with your life now, especially as Ekene. The mother and the sister have been given a befitting burial.
Honestly, it hurts to know that Ekene is not home.
The worst is that he didn't know I love him this much.
That's the more reason you have to forget about him and move forward.
It is not easy, but I'll try.
Yes, you should.
Papa, no.
Papa, are you back?
I'm still there. I can't on a meeting. And what are both of you discussing here?
Nothing, Papa. Just sister to sister discussion.
Sister and sister discussion. Huh?
It is true that I'm supposed to tell that I'm coming. But I am tired of your excuses. Vera, I am your mother. Tell me the truth.
Mama, what truth are you really talking about?
When are you going to give me grandchildren? Or doesn't it bother you that we've not heard the cry of a child in this house?
Mama, honestly, I am even more worried than you are. My husband and I have been to so many hospitals. Doctors always certified us to be alright. And I know that in no distant time, and with God too, we'll have our own children soon. Yes.
I just hope you are telling me the truth. Vera, when we get Ezioku, I am your mother. Anyway, I am not going to accept anything from you again until I hear the cry of a child. I need grandchildren.
Mama, there's no button to that.
I'm leaving.
Mama, wait. Please let me get you something. You came to my house.
Didie, I don't want anything from you. I need grandchildren. No more.
Mama.
Abogini Kamere, my uncle. Abogini Kamere, my uncle. Oje baby fa. Nenua. Oje baby fa. Noa. Oje mani fa. Amaya fojuganya. Amaya fojuganya. Amaya fojuganya.
Where am I?
Who are you?
I'm Ify. Thank God you survived. Just... Oh, sorry.
Hey, where is this place? I feel pains all over me.
Relax. Just lie down back. Relax. Relax. Okay.
Pains all over me.
Someone tried to kill you, but you survived. You're here receiving treatment and you will be fine, okay? Let me call my father.
Papa! Papa!
Where is this place?
Papa, what is this?
I have noticed that something is disturbing Ginika. Can you tell me what is going on?
Papa, it's nothing you should worry yourself about. Ginika will be fine.
You mean I should not worry myself?
Yes, Papa.
Ginika will be fine?
She will be fine, Papa.
So, are you sure?
I'm sure, Papa.
So you are sure?
I'm sure she will be fine.
Okay, she will be fine.
I promise to make you the happiest woman on earth.
You're my sunshine. You're my moon. You're my everything. I love you with all my heart. Don't go anywhere. No one should know that my mother visited.
Okay, ma.
Am I clear on that?
Yes, ma. Okay, ma. That's part of our little secret.
Of course. You can return to your duty post.
That was the condition I put before I brought you home to treat you.
But which village is this?
This is Amato, a neighboring community with yours.
I will never relent till I make them pay for what they did to me and my family.
Son of Amadi, what your uncle did to you and your family was revealed to me the very day I met you in the bush, lying helplessly.
How did you know?
Listen. I will fortify you with great powers to destroy him. More than what Anyasi will do.
How did you know about Anyasi?
Igbo funanya okwe, nyoko koko. Igbo funanya okwe. Your friend took you to Anyasi. Anyasi was my boy. But fate brought you here. I will fortify you. I am Eze Agudegu, Omenkoji, Omenka Funanya, the greatest among the greatest. I will fortify you.
Please go ahead and help me with one. Please.
Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. I can never allow you to have me with those contraceptives again. Never will I. I mean, why are you doing this to me? Why?
Why do we keep talking about the same thing over and over again? For how long are we going to continue talking?
As long as you have blatantly refused to reason with me. What wrong have I done to you? Why are you doing this to me? Honey, I'm not asking for too much. I just want to be a mother. I want to carry my own child. That's all. I am tired of this mockery and side talks because I do not have a child of my own. I'm not even asking for too much, just one child.
I am talking to you. You're going to bed. I'm tired of it. I am tired.
I still not let me do. Come on.
With what? With those stuff?
Vera has never been this insistent over children. Having children or not having children. So what's happening? Is someone influencing her? Yes. It's possible somebody is influencing her. Yes. I'll try and find out. It's worth finding out.
I should see him. What's he gonna do? I see where I see. I'm gonna walk a chin. I take a tempo, I walk and see them. I see where I see. I'm gonna walk a chin.
Okay. Yes, Chief. You stay behind. All right, Chief. Dikeh, boss, you go with me.
What's he gonna do?
Let me have your hand. Igbo funanya okwe. Yo kokoko. Igbo funanya okwe. Your uncle, Chief Onyeka, is a member of the deadly Omega Brotherhood.
What? Hey, I can see the reason this man is very wicked.
He is responsible for your failure in business.
How do you mean?
The money he used in your settlement and the ones he has been giving to you returns back to him. He uses some of your stars to shine.
Eh? Hey! Great one, please help me. Please, you have to help me. I will not be happy until I recover my star and avenge the death of my mother, my father, and my sister that he killed. Please help me.
The task and challenges ahead is not easy, but if you are ready, I will fortify you.
Great one, I am ready for anything. I am very ready for anything.
I will instruct you on what to do.
See power today. Don't you run, uncle. On your papa not so. No get, no get, no get, no get. You think say not only you know how to get power. You think say not only you know the journey. Imarana malusiakene, ekolongene ngwa. Imarana malusiakene.
Dikeh,
Sir.
what has been happening in my house lately?
Nothing, sir.
Who has my wife been seeing lately?
No one, Chief. No one.
Are you sure about this?
But I swear I'm not lying to you, Chief.
If I discover that you lied to me, I hope you know what will happen to you.
Yes, Chief. My head will be chopped off. But, Chief, I'm not lying to you.
Very well done. Drop now, go back to the house and ask Wokem to meet us in the office.
Okay, sir.
All this money could be yours if you cooperate.
This is a lot of money. Cooperate. Sorry, sir. What do you really want?
Come. I want to sleep with a female cop.
A female what?
A female cops. You heard me, right?
Sir, I heard you. Sir, I'm scared. Though. I've not done this before.
You don't have to be scared. And no one should hear about this.
Sir, I don't want to get caught. And besides, I'm not the only attendant on duty today. Oga will soon return.
Go and call the next person. Just go and call him.
Let me call my...
Just call him.
My colleague.
Just call him.
Madam, you need to be careful with Chief.
Why do you say so?
Chief is suspecting that someone is influencing you negatively of late.
Did he say anything to you at all?
Not really. But he's suspecting that you're seeing someone who is influencing you negatively of late.
That means I should be more careful. No, we should be more careful.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for the information.
So, sir, as you can see, what you asked for is ready.
Okay.
Sir, can we have the money?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, go in, but make sure you hurry up.
It's okay.
Sir, be fast. Yeah, stay here and watch. Yeah, don't worry.
You can see.
Oga, fast to hey, fast to let them not come and see us here. Fast now, hurry. Oh. Hey? Did I hear any noise? Hurry up, oh. Hey. Hurry now, Oga. Oga. Oh, this thing is taking longer than I... Igbo funanya okwe nyokokoko. Igbo funanya okwe. Ekene,
Great one.
you have to journey into the land of the dead, where you will be fortified by the spirit of the dead. That will be your final fortification.
I am ready, Great one. Very ready.
Girlfriend, no matter the kind of problem you think you have, it's only God that can solve it. But my problem with most of these men of God is that most of them are fake.
Most of them are.
Yeah, you are right. There is this one I know, and he's genuine. I think I'll refer you to him.
How sure are you about this?
Sweetheart, he has done a lot in people's life. Believe me.
His prayers works wonders.
So who is this man of God you speak of?
He is Reverend Father Paul.
He's God's saint.
A Reverend Father?
Yes. Sweetheart, I think you should give him a try.
You should.
I don't have a choice. I will, certainly. Thank you.
Where have you all been?
We traveled to the land of no return.
You have to make Uncle Onyeka pay for everything that he did to us.
How am I supposed to do this?
We will be with you. You are not alone in this battle.
My son, be bold and courageous. Go, my son.
I cover my house with the blood of Jesus. Father Lord, you said we should ask, it shall be given unto us. We should ask it, and we shall find. We should knock, and the door will be opened unto us. The word of God says that surely they shall gather. But if the gathering is not of his, they shall scatter in seven folds. The word of God also says in Psalm 91 that he that dwells in the secret place of the Lord.
Stop this. What's the meaning of this?
Honey, you just interrupted my prayers. I was talking to God.
Stop disturbing God.
I don't understand you.
It's you who do not understand. It's you who will never understand. Listen. Let today be the last day, the last time you'll ever come in here, find you praying.
I shouldn't
and
pray.
See you praying in this house. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Do I? Yes. Good.
What is all this?
Igbo funanya okwe. Nyoko koko. Igbo funanya okwe. Can I kneel down? Give me your hand. Ekene? Ekene, stand up. Stand. Your fortification is complete.
Thank you, Great One.
You have been empowered with great powers to kill your uncle, Chief Onyeka. The powers of Omenka Brotherhood can't kill you anymore.
Thank you, Great One. I appreciate. Uncle Onyeka, Ogam Osimiliatunu, it's time to bring you down. Makana walusiangene, ekulungene ngo.
My son.
Thank you, Great One.
I want you to remember the task ahead won't be easy. But the rules of the living and the dead will guide you. You can go. Igbo funanya okwe, nyoko koko. Igbo funanya okwe. Yo lo lo lo, Igbo funanya okwe.
If I want to thank you for everything you did for me. I mean, you treated me like a king. I will never forget you.
I'll never forget you too, Ekene. You will always be in my heart.
I have to go and face the challenges ahead of me.
May the gods guide you.
Do not worry, I'll come back for you. Okay? Take care.
My son, Abalo Sangene, Ekulungene Ngo. It is well with you.
You can see.
Hey! I'm here. I don't know. My sweetie. Hi. You see, my love, sorry to have kept you waiting. I was actually doing something for my mother at home. Yeah? So sorry.
There's no problem, my love. Guess what?
What?
Something is here.
Really? Something is here?
Yes.
I know what is here. I'm here.
Anyway, my love. My love.
Yeah?
You'll soon be a daddy.
I will soon
be a daddy.
Remove this here. There's something here. I'll soon be a daddy. I don't understand. How do you mean?
Anyway.
Yes.
I'm pregnant for you, and here's the doctor's report. Hey.
you. Huh?
I know you are excited. I know.
I should be. Hey. I am somehow excited, you see? Hey. Is this thing for you or another massage? Is it your own massage? I don't know. What do you mean that you are pregnant?
I am pregnant for you, and I'm not joking. I'm serious.
You are not serious. Can't you see it? It's not serious. Okay, fine. Now, if actually you are pregnant, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Hey,
who's responsible for it?
Emeka, you're responsible for it. Now, you're the only man in my life.
You just keep your mouth shut. Me responsible for your pregnancy? How? When?
Emeka, when you were doing that, you were promising me everything. You're asking me how? When?
You're still talking. Eh? Listen, let me tell you. If you think that you are smart, you have failed. You have failed. Just go and look for who is responsible for this thing. It was only the tip that just entered. Nothing. Just the tip that entered. And you want to... Listen, let me tell you, just go and look for who is responsible for this. And if you don't know who you are talking to now, you should know. You should know better. I will slap you. Don't even open your mouth and say that thing again.
Emeka, you're the one responsible for this pregnancy. Now, why would you want to abandon me?
You're still talking. Hey, Emeka! Idiot. Just the tip, something of 15 minutes. That's all. I don't understand. Is this you? Thunder fire you! You said that I'm pregnant. You are pregnant for me. Rubbish. In your life, don't ever near me. You don't know who is Emeka. Don't complete it.
Emeka!
If I give one slap, you will know who I am. Rubbish. Only the tip and you are accusing me of.
Emeka! Hey! Hey! But it's Emeka that is responsible for this pregnancy.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay. Is that really you?
It's me. It's me.
It's me, man. Is really you?
Yes,
You're alive?
It's me. I'm alive.
Everyone in the village thought you were dead.
No.
Yes. So what are you doing here? Come, let me take you. Ekene.
Hey.
Is really you?
Yes.
Hey. Oh, good. Hey. Since you left this our business, I'm going to come on.
Just calm down and drive.
I always calm down.
Hey, see, you have a chari audition tight.
Hey, now you're welcome.
Papa, no.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the meeting with the elders?
Meeting? Wonders shall never end.
Okay, what happened?
There's rumor in this village that Ekene is back.
Papa, Chirigo. Which Ekene are you talking about?
Ekene? The son of Amadi. It's not dead, it's alive. Did Okoro bring anything for me?
No,
I mean my palm wine.
No, he didn't come now. I don't know nothing, so don't I?
Meanwhile, get my food ready.
Okay, nice.
Let me go to his house and collect my palm wine.
Your food.
I'm coming back.
Okay, before you come back, your food will be set.
Okay.
My daughter, what is it? You ought to be happy.
Mama, I am finished.
Finished what?
I have made the worst mistake in my life. Hey!
What happened? Oh, give me.
Mama, I'm sorry. Bikoba.
Sorry for what, Pano?
I am... Mama, I am pregnant for Emeka. And he has denied the pregnancy.
That's how they were buried. Those responsible for their death must surely pay for it. I'm all saying I couldn't get anyone.
Hey! Hey! I am so happy that you're alive! I'm so happy!
I am not only alive, but I'm hale and hearty.
I'm so happy.
And I'm all saying
Okay, can I at least go and get you some food? I know you must be very hungry.
That'd be very nice of you.
Alright, I'll be right back. Okay. Hey!
I'm all saying
Ekene, how many times did I call you? You decided to take out my boys. You killed my boys.
You expect me to answer that question? How dare you send those urchins after me? I have no option than to send them to hell.
Ekene! Ekene! Bye! Ekene! 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 Ademma! Dikeh!
Boss.
Chief! What do you mean, Chief? Shoot him! Shoot to kill!
Why are you fooling yourself? Why?
What happened?